Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. To switch off or power off your phone, usually you will use the side button, that is power button. Pressing it long time, you will have the power off menu. But in this phone, it is not opening because it is already defaultly set to open Google Assistant. If you press long press this power button, power off menu will not appear and you cannot switch off or power off phone using this key only. Okay, so if you would like to switch off or power off your phone, what you should do now? Just press power button and volume up button together. Just press power button and volume up button together and you will have the power off option here. Just click on power off here and your phone will be switched off. Yes, your phone is now switched off. So in this way you can easily switch off or power off your phone. What you have to do is just press power button and volume up button together and then power off menu appears and there select power off icon. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.